This is Leetcode number 259, three sums smaller. We have an input array, which is a bunch of numbers and a target number. We want to see how many triplets can we make that sum up to be less than the target. The first thing we want to do is to sort the initial array. We want to do nums.sort a comma b, return a minus b. This will give us the array in increasing order. Next, we want to instantiate the final output result, and we want to set it to be 0. And then we want to do a for loop, and we want to loop through I equals 0 all the way until I is less than nums.length minus 2. Now the reason why it's number 2 is because we have 3 pointers, and we have I, and we have L and R. And because we have 2 additional pointers, we want to make sure there's enough space in the array so that we're not indexing out of it. So we want to do minus 2. We define the L pointer as I plus 1 and the R pointer as nums.length minus 1. Now we'll have a while loop. While L is less than R, we want to get the sum of all 3 pointers. If the sum is less than target, this means that we can do output plus equal R minus L. Now the reason for this is if we take a look at this input array, -2, 0, 1, 3, this is I, this is L, and this is R. If we were to add up all 3 of these, our sum would be -2 plus 0 plus 3 is 1, and 1 is less than target. So we know that if I, L, and R, these indices, if this works, then whatever is before this R must work as well when it's I, L, and this one, because -2 plus 0 plus 1 equals -1. So that's also less than target. That's why we're able to do R minus L is 2. After that, we need to make sure that we increment our L pointer to kind of see, can we still find additional triplets? -2, 0, and 3 works, but what about -2, 1, and 3? And we can see that that does not work. -2 plus 1 plus 3 actually gives back 2, which is not less than target 2. And in the else case, we would decrement R because our sum is too great. We need to start looking to the left of the array and getting the new sum. At the very end, we return output. And that's it for this question.